Last week's job numbers. Let's talk about it. So, you guys probably already know that the strongest jobs report in over 2 years dropped last Friday. The however, the stock market still fell, and your mortgage rate barely moved. And if that sounds confusing, that's fair. There's always more to the story when talking mortgage interest rates. So here's what the report actually said. 172,000 jobs were added in May. That's the strongest 3 month stretch in over 2 years. This is especially surprising because economists were only expecting about 80,000 new jobs. Somehow we more than doubled that. And it honestly gets even better than that. March was revised up to 214,000 jobs, and April was revised up to 179,000 jobs. When did we ever get that? Numbers revised up versus down on the jobs report. That's 93,000 more jobs than we thought we had. This is legitimately indicating that the labor market is legitimately strong right now. How? I have no idea. So, with all these good news, why didn't rates drop? Which would be a great question. But when jobs are strong, the Fed has no reason to cut rates. Strong jobs data leaves the Fed watching and waiting. And a healthy economy means that they can afford to hold indefinitely. Still know that rates today are still more than 45 basis points lower than they were this time last year. And one economist noted that the absence of inflationary threats in this report should technically quiet the chatter about a potential rate hike in the future, which that was a real fear coming into last Friday before the report came out. So it takes one of the worst case scenarios completely off the table. So here's the takeaway. A strong labor market means buyers have jobs. Buyers who have jobs can qualify for mortgages. And right now, they're negotiating in the market that favors them. Why does it favor them? Because it's a buyer's market. So as of right now, we're hearing a lot of doom and gloom, especially from the media, but the numbers are stating a little bit differently.